Howdy, Pineapple. What's up? Another word for Robin. What's up, man? How you doing tonight, Robin? Because I'm doing pretty good myself. I was playing a little bit of One Piece Pirate Warriors 2. Now I'm playing this for a little bit. Got some new followers and everything. Man. See what's behind me. Woohoo! That fell off. Anybody new to the stream? Welcome. Please enjoy. Feel free to comment and chat as much as you want. I will try to respond as quickly as I can. That's awesome. Go enjoy playing basketball with your friends. Score a goal for... yeah, go score a basket or goal for me. And thank you for stopping by. Movie? What do you mean movie? Do you mean the Ratchet Clank movie? What are you talking about? I'm terrible at basketball. Well, try your best. Commander? What do you mean movie? I mean, is this a movie, or are you talking about the Ratchet Clank movie? I want to see it too. It looks pretty good. What's Ratchet and Clank? Ratchet and Clank, it's kind of like Sly Cooper, except a lot of guns, kind of like Jak and Daxter, which actually also has guns. What's a Ratchet and Clank? plans for the summer, everybody? I'm going to be in Mexico for 12 weeks. We're practicing my Spanish and perfecting it. So yeah, at some point during the summer, unfortunately, I'm not going to be playing as much. I haven't heard anything about a Jack and Dexter movie.
Acquired a pilot phone.
Unfortunately.
Manufactured by Samsung. It will allow you to fly jet fighters via neural induction.
Be on vacation in Canada? That's cool. Alright. Let's see, where's the plane? How do I get this over there? I guess we can't do that yet. Let's see, we can go this way? Nope, looks like we're going this way. In Utah. What are you going to be doing in Utah?
I got some great bargains for you today.
Busy bomb gun. Buy a little bit of ammo on here. Let's go to the ship. We are random people. Did I finish that one? Yes. I think I finished every single one, but each couple. So I need to explore the walled city. Walled city? All missions complete. First the wilderness explores Ratchet. Let's go complete this one. Yeah, it's always smart to go meet people that you meet people in person that you've randomly met on the internet. I'm not going to condone it, but I'm not going to say it's a good idea either. Is there anything to get me over there quickly? Doesn't look like it. Come here, boyos. Let's see what he's saying.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Well, I guess it'd be the same thing. No, I didn't do that. Leave me alone. Let's grab the deficit while we're here. Yo, welcome back to Lidigo. I'm not sure if there is any games on the PC similar to this. You might be able to get the PC versions of them. I wouldn't be surprised if Ratchet Clank came out for PC. Or like Sky Cooper or something. but not my cup of tea to know. Oh, God. Nope, didn't mean to do that. Little east. Ratchet Clank is a PlayStation exclusive. I thought it was, but I was just being sure. The phones? Yeah, that sucks. Hey! Let's see here, there's a lot of names. Let's see here. I think I've already said hi to Commander. I have not said hi to Jamemba? I think that's what that says, Jamemba? But welcome, Jamemba. Please enjoy, feel free to chat as much as you want, comment, and I will try to respond as quickly as I can, or chat with my lovely viewers. Yes, they're so lovely. I appreciate all my viewers, actually. Am I sideways? I think I was sideways there. Jamemba. Wait, what? Now we're talking about age? Whose age are we talking about here? He'll learn to pronounce it. Oh, Jamemba. Oh, I think I know what character you're talking about. The weird-looking lizard, almost lizard-looking guy that can make himself phase through things. Oh god. Where'd the other one go? Getting a little crazy. I like it. I don't think I want to go that way. With Raging Lions, God. Yeah, I was glad I got a PS4. I actually used to be an Xbox 360 player before I changed over to PS4, and then I bought a PS3. And I actually had a PS2 first. Was one of my first consoles. One of them, not my first. But yeah, that's my small history. Wait, don't I know this guy?
Hey, I know you two.
Look, the plumber's back.